Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. Let's start solving some more questions from previous year which have repeatedly appeared in the past years. Let's start, let's solve together. Now let's start this question from geometry. In the given figure, CB is parallel to QR. So CB is this line and this is parallel to QR. Okay. And CA is parallel to PR. CA, this line CA, I'll put an arrow on the CA line, is parallel to PR. I'll put a arrow on the PR line. So these two are parallel, means we can use BPT theorem here to calculate PC and BR, and these are the given values. AQ is equal to 12 centimeter, AR is 20 centimeter, PB is equal to CQ equal to 15 centimeter. How we can use BPT theorem? Because the BPT theorem says that if one line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle and that particular side is intersecting at two distinct points, like CA here, this line CA here is intersecting at two distinct points C and A of the triangle, of the two sides of this triangle QR and QP. So here actually this will help us use the BPT theorem. So I'll erase this. And here we will calculate the values which have been asked to for us to find out. So by BPT theorem we can also write Thales theorem, because these two theorems are one and the same theorem. So you either write BPT theorem or write Thales theorem. We can write this sides QA by AR is equal to QC by CP or PC, whatever you write, PC. Why? Because since the side CA is parallel to side PR, not the side CA, but this line CA is parallel to triangle side PR. That is why QA by AR is equal to QC by PC. So QA value is given to us, it is 12 centimeters, so I'll put here 12. AR value is 20, I'll put here, and QC value is 12 centimeter, and we need to find PC value. So let's cross multiply. So it will become 12. Is it 12 here? QA, yes, QA is 12 and QC is 15, not 12 here, because 12 and 12 they will get cancelled out. So it is 15 here. So PC will be 15, 12 PC equal to 15 into 20. So PC value will be equal to 15 into 20 by 12. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. Therefore, PC value will be equal to 25 centimeter. Now we can use this PC value to calculate BR. Okay, again by BPT theorem, we can use this to ensure the side proportionality. Here we are trying to find BR, so BR means PB by BR equal to CP by CQ. How is it? Because since line CB is parallel to QR, that is why we are able to use BPT theorem, and this line CB is intersecting at two distinct points C and B for the two sides of the triangle. So here I can put PV value. What is PV value? 15. BR value is what we need to find out. So I'll write BR as it is. CP is equal to, we have already found out 25 centimeter just before, and CQ value is equal to 15. Now again I'll cross multiply here. So BR will be 15 into 15 divided by 25. So if you remove the 25 and the 3 will remain here, 3 will remain here. So BR value will be equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, simple, just use the Thales theorem and calculate PC and BR's value. This is super simple. Just substitute the values properly. Don't jumble up the values. That's given values. Then the answer will come out correctly. Now let's start with this question, which is from trigonometry. If 2 tan A is equal to 3, then find the value of 4 sin A plus 3 cos A by 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. Now this question can be solved by two methods. First method, we can instead of tan A, I can write this as 2 tan A is equal to 3. Instead of this, I can write it as 2 sin A by cos A equal to 3. So what it will become if I take the cos A at the other side, it will become 3 cos A. Now in this particular equation that I have written here, instead of 3 cos A, I can substitute 2 sin A. So first I will write the equation 4 sin A plus 3 cos A by 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. Now instead of 3 cos A, I can write 2 sin A. So it will become 4 sin A plus 2 sin A divided by 4 sin A minus 2 sin A. So 4 plus 2 is 6 and 4 minus 2 is 2, and sin A will get cancelled from denominator and numerator. So it will be 3, right? That value will be 3. Second method will be, what I can do, the equation, if 2 tan A equal to 3 is given to me now, so I will change this equation to tan A, means I will divide both the numerator and denominator by cos A. This is the numerator, I will divide it by cos A. Similarly, what is the denominator? 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. So here also I will divide it by cos A. Now ultimately what it will become? It will become 4 sin A by cos A plus 3 cos A by cos A. This cos A will get cancelled here and it will become 4 tan A. And then here it will again become 4 tan A, similar way like it has happened here, and it will become minus 3. Here I am not cancelling out in the denominator, because numerator I have shown individually why it is happening here, tan A, and why cos A is getting cancelled, and what stays back is 3. So here it will become 4 tan A plus 3 by 4 tan A minus 3. Now I can substitute the value of 2 tan A. 2 tan A value is equal to 3. So it will become 2 into 3, because what is here? 4 tan A means 2 into 2 tan A, right? So instead of 2 tan A, I can write now 3. So it will become 2 into 3. 2 into 3 plus 3, and here again 2 into 3 minus 3. So here it will become 9, and denominator it will become 6 minus 3, 3. So again, if you cancel out, what stays is 3. So whichever method you find easy, you use that, whether first method or second method, up to your choice. Let's move to the next question. P minus 1, P and 2P plus 3 are in AP, that means arithmetic progression, then find the value of P. So here it is not given, but we can assume that these three are consecutive terms in arithmetic progression. So let's say if there are three terms like A, B and C, second term and the first term, let that difference be D. Then we also know that there is a common difference, right, from one term to the other. That is why it is an arithmetic progression. So C minus B will also be equal to D. D is what? Difference. between B minus A and C minus B. The same difference will be there. So this leads us to this particular term, that 2B is equal to C plus A, means twice the middle term is equal to sum of the third term as well as the first term and the first term. How we get reach here? We can do like this, minus here and here it will become plus. If you subtract, then we will reach here to be equal to C plus A. So here, which is the middle term? Instead of B, I can write here 2P. Middle term is P. And what is C here? C is 2P plus 3. So I can write 2P plus 3 here. And P minus 1 is the first term. So like this I can write. So this 2P and 2P, this will get cancelled, right? And what remains here is 0, P plus 3 minus 1. It will become plus 2, right? So P will be equal to minus 2. This is the value of P, which is the question, which question is asking us to find out. I hope I am clear with this answer solution. This is a very easy question. Nonetheless, we should practice all this kind of questions and avoid making mistakes. If you are watching and learning along with me, then please motivate me by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel, Sri Siddhi Academics. Okay.